Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can edit pictures for the web. The pictures which appear on the web pages must have a certain standard size, and if the pictures are going to appear horizontally from left to right, then all the pictures must have the same width and the same height. And resizing and editing of the pictures normally is done before the web page is written. And in this case, in this practical lesson, I'm going to show you how to resize height of the picture, and the program we will use is MS Paint. The reason why we start with height is to ensure that all of the pictures will have the same height. Then we will finish with the width, because there is a lot to be decided when you are dealing with the width, including checking that you don't cut the content shown by the picture. If, for example, you want to edit a picture about somebody playing football, you cannot crop away that ball and you leave somebody throwing the legs up and down. You will have spoiled the picture. So first resize the height. Once the heights are okay, then you deal with the width. And there is a lot of calculation you will see regarding the width. Now, finally, once the height is resized, the only thing which is remaining is just to crop the width. And once all the pictures are of the same size, we will now go and design the web page. The most important things to understand here, when I say height, I simply mean this side. This is what we call height. And when we say width of the picture, we simply mean from left to right like this. This is the width of the picture. So we resize height, then we crop the width of the picture. Another point, it is important when you are dealing with pictures to know that the units for measuring width and height is px, okay, or pixels. That is the unit we are using here. So I will go ahead and show you the 3 pictures which I want to edit today. Finally, we will use the pictures in web designing, where we will show the pictures on a web page. I have a folder. I will go ahead and open this folder. I have 3 pictures. These pictures are of different sizes, and we want to make all of them the same size. Let me confirm the size of this one. I will just right click, choose property. Then you can see the type is JPG and details. This is 1280 by 720. Coming to the other one, this is JPG. Coming to the details, it is 900 by 521, which is completely of different size compared to the first picture. Finally, I have that one of well. This one is JPG. It is of the size 624 by 351. So I will go ahead and open each picture with Paint. Don't open MS Paint and paste the picture in it. You just choose Open with Paint to open exactly the picture. I will go ahead here and show you this one. Down here, you can see the dimension of the picture is shown 1280 by 720. The first thing is to start with the height. So I will click Resize. Then choose Pixels. I want to make my pictures, I want to make them 300 by 200. and I will go ahead and type here 200. Then I will click OK. Now from this dimension here, you can see the height is already 200 and the other one is automatically reduced to 355. So I will go and simply crop to get a width. I will point to the top of the picture until here it shows 0. The X shows 0 here. So I just point to the top until I get a 0 down here. So right now you can see it is 21, it is 20, then comma 0. Now I can press down the mouse button and moves until I get my 300. Now you can see down there it is written 300 by 200. That is the exact size I want. I will release my mouse button, then I will just crop. So finally my picture is 300 by 200, which is fine. I will just click save and close this MS Paint window. Coming to my well, open with Paint. I'll start by resizing the height. Choose pixel height of 200 here. Click OK. It is already 200. I will get the other one 355 here. Just point to the roof, press down and drag like this until I get 300. But with this you can see there is a lot of space here, and here there is little space, so it is not balanced. So let me press escape, then I start somewhere here. Let me start somewhere here. So I will point at the roof and just drag like this, and I get my 300, and the fish is balanced in the middle of the picture. Then crop. So finally, so my pictures are well resized, and you can see the pictures in the folder. Next, I'm going to write my web page because my pictures are now of equal size. To write my web page, I must take note of the type of the file. You can see there it is JPG 300 by 200, JPG 300 by 200, JPG 300 by 200. Excellent. I will go and start Notepad. Start my HTML and close this tag down here. I will come back to my head part and close the head tag here and start my body part and close the body tag down here. Coming to my title, I'll just give it a title there, Sea Animals. Then just close the title tag. No spelling mistakes, or it will not show a good web page without errors. I will come inside my body part of the page, have my heading, Sea Animals. I can close that. I can even add another word here, famous sea animals. Below it, I want introduction paragraph. right here, the following are famous sea animals of all ages. Then I will put here the column. Then I will introduce a list which is numbered 1, 2, 3 with the names of the fish. So I'm going to start my OL. OL means ordered list. The list which is ordered is the one which is numbered 1, 2, 3 or ABCD. I will start the ordered list. In between the ordered list tags, I have list item. List item represent the item which is part of the list. In between the list item, I will name my fish, starting with well. This is the largest. I want another name below this, so I will copy that line using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. I will come to this part and rename this file to shark.shark. Then I will just copy this line again and paste it here below. And I will name this to, I will name it to dolphin, like that. So this is simply the heading, and this is the paragraph, and this is a list which will be ordered in 1, 2, 3 formats. So the items will be numbered 1, 2, 3, and finally below here I will insert pictures using IMG source, and I can give it a name in quotation marks. Then since I have 3 pictures, I will copy this line, Ctrl+V to paste it, Ctrl+V to paste it down here. My picture, I remember the well is JPG, the shark is also JPG, and the dolphin is also JPG. This is now my code. I am going to save it so that you see what happens. I will click File, Save. Then on the desktop, open my folder where I have my pictures. I will call it c.html. Then click Save. Now you can see in the folder I have this file. I'm going to double click it. When I open my web page, you can now see I have an attractive title, web page title here, the heading is here, the paragraph, the list is here, and the 3 pictures are well sized and look attractive on a web page. This is how we do it. Go ahead, try it at home, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.